LayerZero Airdrop is expected to be huge.
Hell yeah!
And in one of my previous videos, I showed you a strategy how you can potentially qualify for LayerZero Airdrop. While it involves interactions with multiple protocols, which is really good, it was quite a bit costly. So you can be spending quite a lot of money trying to qualify for this airdrop, and it might not even happen. And this is not something that I personally prefer, where I have to spend a lot of money for something that I know might never happen. And as history has shown, some of the largest crypto airdrops, for example, such as Arbitrum or Optimism, had multiple criteria that would qualify you for a certain amount of airdrop. And some of this criteria involves contracts interacted, amount of transactions, volume of transactions, and also how spread these transactions were across multiple months or multiple weeks. So I've been scrolling through Twitter and I found this multiple threads that were telling you basically that you can perform 40 to 50 transactions maybe by spending just $1.
Yay!
And I don't know where it all started, but
Shout out to whoever started all this.
and so let me show you how to do it. And I'm actually gonna show you different stages that involve spending as little as $1 up to $5, but no more than $5. So let's get started. So the first step is gonna be to send $5 worth of Matic to your wallet. And we're gonna be using Polygon chain. So you can send even less depending on what you want to do in the next steps. But if you have $5, it's just $5. It's not that much, honestly. But if you want to do a $1 strategy, I'll tell you exactly how you can do that with the next step. So in order to do that, you can use any centralized exchange if you can send Matic, or you can use a different wallet and send it to your airdrop wallet, or just use your regular wallet. So step number 2 is going to be to swap this Matic for $1 of USDC. So this is where the first stage starts, and you can literally use $1. If you don't want to use $5, you can use $1. So send $1, and this is what we're going to do now. We're going to go to sushiswap.com. Over here, click connect your wallet, select MetaMask, click connect. And over here, let's make sure that we're on Polygon, and then we're going to select Matic, and we're going to select USDC to swap to. You won't be able to enter in this field for whatever reason, but you can enter the amount of Matic that's approximately going to be equal to 1 USDC. So it should be about 1.6. Yeah, this is good enough. And we're going to click swap. If it's your first time using it, you might have to approve it first, but I'm going to click swap, and you're going to confirm in your MetaMask. So next step, and step number 3, is going to be to add DFK blockchain or DeFi Kingdom blockchain to your MetaMask. So to do that, you're going to go through this chain list link. You're going to click connect your wallet, click connect. After that, what you're going to do, you're going to click add to MetaMask, and you're going to click add to MetaMask. I already have Switch Network because I already have it. Now step number 4, we're going to bridge some of that USDC, that $1 or close to $1 of USDC from Polygon to DFK. So what we're going to do, we're going to go through this link, which is Synapse Protocol. We're going to click connect wallet in the top right corner. We're going to click MetaMask. We're going to click connect, and we're connected. Now over here, origin, please make sure that you have Polygon, and destination, we're going to select DeFi Kingdom. As you can see right here, DFK chain. And we're going to bridge all of our USDC, which is approximately $1. Please be aware that there is a high slippage, so you're only going to get about half of it, but that's okay, because still this half is going to be able to let us do about 40 or close to 50 transactions. So you're going to click bridge your funds, and you're going to hit confirm. Going on to step number 5, we're going to swap some USDC for Jewel and DFK Gold. So to do that, what we're going to do, we're going to go through this link, which is going to be DeFi Kingdom. We're going to dismiss this. We're going to click play, connect wallet, and we're going to click connect. After that, you're going to dismiss this again, and you're going to click enter Crystal Veil. It's going to ask you to switch the network, so you're going to click switch. You can dismiss this again, and over here in the top right corner, you're going to click on more menu, and you're going to scroll down and find marketplace. So you're going to click on marketplace, and then over here, you're going to click on trader. Now over here, we're going to click USDC that we just bridged, and we're going to click Jewel, and we're doing it so we can get some gas fees as well. You can check the status of your bridge right over here, and it's telling you that it's not yet bridged, so we're just going to wait for that. Over here, we're just going to click max, and as you can see, all of our 0.48 USDC is entered, and we're going to get about 4.3 Joule. So we're going to click swap and confirm swap. Confirm in MetaMask. As you can see, swap is successful. You can view it on DFK Explorer. So now what we're going to do, we're going to select this Joule that we just swapped for. We're going to enter an amount. We only need literally 0.01. And then swap to, we're going to select DFK Gold. You just have to wait a bit. It might say insufficient liquidity, but there is. It's just a little bit slow. So after that, what you're gonna click? You're gonna click swap, and you're gonna hit confirm. Confirm in MetaMask, and we're done. As you can see, we swapped 0.01 Joule for 31.9 DFK gold. I already have more because I did it earlier. And now step number 6 is the one that actually we're gonna use LayerZero. We're gonna bridge some tokens through DeFi Kingdom game. So in order to do that, we're gonna go back to where we were, and over here we're gonna click on inventory, and over here's our gold. So you're gonna click on gold, and you're gonna click bridge token, and you can leave the amount as 1. So if you got 30, that means that you will be able to do 30 transactions. So we're gonna click bridge items, and you're gonna hit confirm. So it says it's bridged, and then you can just click view in DFK Explorer. You can copy this transaction hash. Now you can go to LayerZero scan. You can paste this transaction hash, and you're gonna search. And as you can see, this is delivered, and it went through LayerZero. So you can repeat this process 30 more times, because at this moment 0.01 Joule is worth about 32 golds. But the price changes all the time. At the moment when I was doing it, it was about 40. So you can do like 30 transactions, or you can swap even more Joule for more gold and do more transactions. And maybe you can even do it across several weeks or several months. That's going to be even better. So this was level 1. This is how basically you can do it for $1. Now, if you want to do more transactions and interact with more blockchains, then here's the next thing that we can do. Now, step number 7 is going to involve 2 networks for Celo and Gnosis, but technically you can just add Celo, and I'm going to explain to you why a little bit later. But for now, you can just add both of the networks to your MetaMask. So what you're going to do, you're going to again click through chainlist.org, you're going to connect your wallet, and you're going to add those networks to your MetaMask. Now, step number 8, we're going to swap some Matic for AG Euro and bridge it from Polygon to Celo that uses LayerZero to bridge. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to app.angle.money. Gonna automatically ask us to connect our wallet. If it doesn't, you can click in this top left corner, connect. So it asks you to switch network. You don't have to do it right now. You can just dismiss it. And what we're gonna do now, we're gonna click right over here in the network selection. I don't know why it's a little buggy right now, but you can click on Polygon right here. And it's gonna ask you to switch back if you're not switched. And your MetaMask is gonna switch to Polygon. So let's click switch. And right over here, we're gonna select Matic again. You can again enter $1 worth of Matic. So let's say 1.6. It's going to be equal to 0.88 AG Euro. I hope I say it right. I'm going to click swap, and I'm going to hit confirm. Now we've got some AG Euro. So what we're going to do, we're going to click bridge right over here. And as you can see, I already bridged some. So you can see what's going on here. But basically what you're going to need to do, you're going to select Polygon as origin, and you're going to select Celo mainnet as your destination. And this bridge is already going to be using LayerZero. So you can technically have some Polygon for your gas fees. And what you can do, you can just bridge small amounts, because this bridge is going to cost you, I think, about 3 cents as well. We're going to check in a minute, but you can technically already perform multiple transactions. Let's say we can bridge just 0.01, and over here you're gonna have to wait until it gets available. Currently, as you can see, 0 AG Euro can be bridged. You just have to wait a little bit. It updates pretty often. Yeah, as you can see, currently this amount of AG Euro can be bridged. So we're gonna click approve, click use default, click next, and approve. And once it's approved, you're just gonna have to wait again, so you can click bridge. If it's not available immediately, you're gonna click bridge. As you can see, it costs us only 4 cents worth of Matic, so we're going to click confirm, and bridge has started. Now, as you can see, it completed on Polygon. You went through LayerZero, and now it's just waiting to arrive to Celo mainnet. So you can click right over here, and you can see your transaction details. So again, it costs us about 4 cents. So you can probably perform up to 25 transactions. That's going to cost you $1 in gas fees, plus you're going to need another $1 of AG Euro to be bridging. And that's how you're going to do it multiple times. Again, you can span it across several months or weeks and do it that way. So this step is going to cost you another $2. So now we're at $3 if we want to do all the steps together. Now the next step, if you want to do more, and it's still going to cost you under $5 altogether, is you can bridge from Celo mainnet to Gnosis. So in order for you to do that, what you need to do first is you can see we received LZ.AG euro instead of AG euro. This kind of the mechanism that works here for the bridge, that it doesn't have, I guess, AG euro readily available, so they replace it with LayerZero AG euro. And you can claim your AG euro, but let me show you how to do it. You're going to click on this link, which is Celo Scan. You're going to go to your wallet. You're going to switch to Celo. And over here, as you can see, I can see the amounts of my LZ, AG euro, and AG euro. If you want to do that, you can use this contract addresses that I pasted, or you can find them yourself as well. And you can just see the amount of LZ, AG euro that you can withdraw to AG euro. So what you need to do, you're going to copy your wallet address, you're going to paste it here in the Celo Scan, and you're going to search. Right over here, you're going to click on ERC20 token transactions. As you can see, here's the LayerZero Bridge AG euro. You're going to click on that, and over here, you're going to click on contract. You're going to click write as proxy. You're going to scroll down to number 25 that says withdraw, and you're going to expand it. And over here, you're going to enter the amount of LZAG euro that you want to withdraw to AG euro. So in order for you to do that, you're going to click on MetaMask again, and you can check the amount right over here. So let's say I want to withdraw 0.2. So in order for me to do that, what I have to do, I have to multiply 0.2 by 10 to the power of 18. So basically I would have to, if it's a whole number, I would have to add 18 zeros after the number. Since I have a decimal number and it's one decimal, I'm going to have to enter 2 and 17 zeros. After that, what you're going to do again, you're going to copy your address from MetaMask and you're going to paste it right over here, and you're going to click write. Sorry, one more thing I forgot is you need to connect first. So you're going to click connect to Web3, and you're going to select MetaMask. I'm going to click connect, and once it says connected Web3 and your address, now you can scroll down and click write. MetaMask should pop up, and you're going to hit confirm, and you can check your transaction right over here. And as you can see, it is success. So now if I go to my MetaMask wallet, as you can see, the amount of LZAG euro decreased by 0.2 and AG euro increased by 0.2. So we got our AG euro. So now step number 9 is going to be to bridge some Matic for Celo native token. Or you don't have to do this if you have Celo on any of the centralized exchanges where you can just buy it directly and then send it over the Celo mainnet, then do that. But since we're working with Polygon, I can show you how you can do it with the Polygon network. So to do that, what you're going to need to do, you're going to go to Satellite Money, and you're going to click Connect Wallet. You're going to select MetaMask, you're going to click Connect. Over here, you're going to select Polygon, and over here, we're going to select Celo, because we're going to need Celo native token to do bridging from Celo to Gnosis. So we're going to select Matic, and over here, we're going to select Celo. You can see available Matic right over here. Celo is going to cost you also about probably like 3 cents. So you might need probably like $1 worth of Matic to be able to perform like 30 transactions. So you can just enter the amount of Matic. For destination address, you're going to click fill with, and it's going to populate it with your address. You can click switch to Polygon, confirm switch, and you're going to click swap with Squid. And over here, it's going to tell you that the gas fee is about 11 cents. So this is a bit of expensive transaction, relatively speaking. I don't have enough Matic right now, but you just hit confirm and you're gonna get your Celo on Celo mainnet for the gas fees. And after that, moving on to step number 10, which is going to be to bridge some AG euro from Celo network to Gnosis. So in order for us to do that, we're gonna go back to our app.angle.money. Over here, again, we're gonna select bridge, but now instead of Polygon, we're going to select Celo mainnet, click switch network, and over here I'm going to select Gnosis chain. Again, we're going to have AG euro right here. We're going to select the amount that we want to do. We're going to click approve again, and we're going to click bridge. Now we're going to use Celo token for gas fees. That's why we needed some Celo in our wallet. So as you can see, it costs 0.009 Celo, very cheap. So that's the other way that you can do it as well. And the total is going to be 0.008, which is 004 Celo. So you're going to click confirm, and you're just going to wait for this transaction to complete. It says bridged, but it's going to show you again that it went through LayerZero. You can click on this transaction and you can check all your LayerZero transaction. As you can see, if I click on it, here's our pending transaction that went through LayerZero. And that was it, guys. That's how you can very cheap perform a bunch of transactions, and I suggest that you do spread them across several weeks or several months, but it literally costs you less than $5. You can do just $1 one, like the very first part that we did, or you can do the second level or the third level. It's totally up to you, but this is how you can generate a huge amount of transactions for a really cheap amount of money, and you can potentially qualify for LayerZero Airdrop, as this probably might be one of their criteria where the number of transactions actually matters. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't seen my previous LayerZero Airdrop tutorial, that is going to be a little bit more costly, but it involves a bunch of protocols as well. You can check it out as well. I'm going to drop the link somewhere around here probably. And if you want to see more airdrop tutorials, you can check out my whole playlist that I've already created on a bunch of airdrop tutorials. Most of them involve testnet, so they don't actually involve any of your funds. They just involve testnet tokens and a little bit of your time. So if that's something that you're interested in, please hit subscribe button, hit like to help YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you all guys in the next one.